Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly cream for cake. First, gather your essential ingredients: gelatin, sugar, water, and heavy cream. Begin by blooming 2 teaspoons of gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water for about 5 to 10 minutes. Simultaneously, gently heat 1/2 cup of water with 1/3 cup of sugar in a saucepan until the sugar completely dissolves. This prepares your base for a smooth jelly cream. Once your sugar is dissolved, carefully add the bloomed gelatin to the warm sugar solution. Stir continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes until the gelatin is completely dissolved and the mixture appears clear. This step is crucial for a smooth texture. Now, set this jelly mixture aside and let it cool down completely to room temperature before proceeding to the next step. For the perfect whipped cream, start by chilling your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for at least 15 minutes. Then, pour 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Whip the cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can make the cream grainy. Now for the final step. Once your jelly mixture is completely cool, gently fold it into your perfectly whipped cream. Use a spatula and mix until just combined, being careful not to deflate the airy texture you worked hard to achieve. This ensures a light and fluffy jelly cream. Finally, chill your delicious jelly cream in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before using it to decorate your cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.